as heavy downpour, which had lasted for weeks altogether, has once again given way to sunshine. It has provided much relief to the state of Meghalaya, whereby assessment of damage, repair and reconstruction work has started in full swing. Mention may be made of the damages caused by landslides and incessant rainfall in most parts of the state that have also resulted in the loss of precious lives and property. Despite the complaints from the opposition that relief has not yet reached the people whose lives were affected by the floods, the state government, on the other hand, claims that rescue and relief operations have been undertaken in all flood-affected areas through the help and support of the Meghalaya Police, the Indian Air Force, the PWD Department, the district administration, officials in the district and sub-divisional levels, and village councils.
That, but I have seen that from the government side, even from our central government also, they are trying to send a lot of relief and help, like essential communities and others, to the flood affected area. Even from the party side also, we have already given instruction to our leader, those who reside in the flood affected area, like in the plain belt of Garo Hills, and even in the Jancha Hills also. We have only request them to assess the situation and to send this message to the central government, because it's a BJP government, to provide some relief to the flood affected area.
See, we have sought information from all the deputy commissioner. I myself have visited few places in East Giant Hills and West Giant Hills to see the damage caused by this unprecedented rain. And last Sunday, our Honorable Chief Minister held the meeting in Clarion, where instruction have been given to different departments to submit the report to the respective deputy commissioner, so that the extent of damage could be assessed and the timely relief, whatever we can, to any people or any agricultural activities the government could do. So I hope that in the last 2 days the rain to some extent is not there. So we hope that the officers, the field officers, they will visit the respective jurisdiction and report to their district head and forward to the respective deputy commissioner. Because of joining hand together, that in spite of the difficulties, the traffic could be restored last Sunday itself, one way, and as of now the traffic is flowing, but at some portion it is only a one-way traffic. The Superintendent of Police has alerted all his officers in charge in each and every critical situation, critical areas, that manning of those critical areas is important, so that so that a single movement of the vehicle could be allowed, so that it will not impact into those crucial areas which may endanger the vehicle or the passers-by.